Make it a 3 minutes video. Hi everyone, welcome to this exciting journey where we dive into the fascinating world of websites. Have you ever wanted to create your own website but didn't know where to start? Well, you're in the right place. That's great. Think of a website as your very own online home. It's a space where you can express yourself, showcase your talents, and share your passions with the world. With a website, you can do so many things. You can write and share your thoughts through a blog, sell products to customers around the globe, or even connect with friends, family, and colleagues through various interactive features. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Creating a website sounds complicated and maybe even a bit intimidating. But don't worry, it's not as hard as it seems. With the right guidance and tools, anyone can build a beautiful and functional website. This guide is designed to help you every step of the way. We'll break down the process into simple, easy-to-follow steps using language that's clear and straightforward. No confusing tech talk here. We'll explain everything in plain English so you can understand and follow along without any hassle. By the end of this guide, you'll have a website that you can be truly proud of. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your ideas come to life on the screen. So are you ready to embark on this exciting adventure? Let's get started and turn your vision into reality. Let's go. First, we need a platform. This is the very foundation of your website, much like the land on which you build your home. The platform you choose will determine how you build, manage, and grow your online presence. Think of it like choosing land to build your house. Just as you would consider the location, size, and type of land, you need to consider the features, flexibility, and ease of use of your website platform. There are many website platforms available, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Three popular ones are WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace. Each of these platforms offers unique features that cater to different needs and preferences. WordPress, like building a house from scratch, you have lots of control. With WordPress, you can customize every aspect of your site, from the layout to the functionality. It's highly flexible and can be tailored to suit any type of website, whether it's a blog, an e-commerce store, or a portfolio. But it takes more work. The flexibility of WordPress comes with a steeper learning curve. You'll need to invest time in learning how to use it effectively, and you may need to understand some basic coding. It can be overwhelming for beginners, but the payoff is a highly customized and powerful website. Wix, like buying a pre-built house. Wix offers a more straightforward approach to website building. With its drag and drop editor, you can easily create a professional-looking website without any coding knowledge. It's designed to be user-friendly and accessible to everyone. It's easy to use with less flexibility. While Wix is great for beginners and those who want to get a website up and running quickly, it doesn't offer the same level of customization as WordPress. You're limited to the features and templates provided by Wix, which may not be suitable for more complex websites. Squarespace, a balance between the two. Squarespace offers a middle ground between the flexibility of WordPress and the ease of use of Wix. It's known for its beautiful design templates and intuitive interface, making it a popular choice for creatives and small business owners. Easy to use with good design options. Squarespace provides a range of stylish templates that can be easily customized to fit your brand. It's a great option if you want a visually appealing website without the hassle of extensive customization. Which one is right for you? The choice of platform depends on your specific needs and goals. Consider what you want to achieve with your website, how much time you're willing to invest in learning and building, and what features are most important to you. It depends on what you need. Make a checklist of your website requirements and compare them against the features offered by each platform. Whether you need a highly customizable site, an easy-to-use interface, or a balance of both, there's a platform out there that's perfect for you. Every website needs an address called the domain name. It's what people type to find you, like google.com. Choose a name that's catchy, easy to remember, relevant, connected to your website's topic. Shorter is better. You can buy a domain name from companies like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Next, you need hosting. This is like renting space on the internet for your website to live. Think of it as renting a store for your business. Hosting companies provide the space and tools to keep your website running. Bluehost and SiteGround are popular hosting companies. They offer different plans to fit your needs. Section 5. Designing your website, making it look great. Now let's make your website look amazing. Most platforms offer templates like pre-designed layouts. Choose a template that matches your style. You can customize it with your logo, which is your website symbol, your colors, picking colors that look good together, and your layout. Organizing your content clearly. A well-designed website is easy to navigate and looks professional. Section 6. Adding content. What will your website say? Content is king. It's what people come to your website for. Write clear and engaging text. Think about your audience. What do they want to know? Provide valuable information. Break up your text with headings and bullet points. Make it easy to read. Section 7. Images and videos. Bringing your website to life. Images and videos make your website more interesting. Use high-quality visuals that relate to your content. Don't overload your website with too many images. Choose visuals that enhance your message. You can find free images on websites like Unsplash or Pexels. Section 8. Search Engine Optimization, helping people find your website. In this section, we will explore the essential strategies and techniques that can help your website become more visible to people searching for relevant information online. SEO, or search engine optimization, is a crucial tool that helps people find your website on search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. By optimizing your website, you can improve its ranking on search engine results pages, making it easier for potential visitors to discover your content. When someone searches for something related to your website, SEO helps your website show up higher in the results. This increased visibility can lead to more traffic, more engagement, and ultimately more conversions. The higher your website ranks, the more likely people are to click on your link and visit your site. One of the key components of SEO is the use of relevant keywords in your content. Keywords are the words and phrases that people type into search engines when they are looking for information. By incorporating these keywords into your website's content, you can help search engines understand what your site is about and match it with relevant search queries. Keywords are words people type into search engines. It's important to research and identify the keywords that are most relevant to your business or topic. Tools like Google Keyword Planner can help you find the best keywords to target. Once you have a list of keywords, you can strategically place them in your website's titles, headings, meta descriptions, and throughout the content. Another important aspect of SEO is making sure your website is mobile-friendly. With the increasing use of smartphones and tablets, more and more people are using their phones to browse the internet. A mobile-friendly website ensures that your content is easily accessible and readable on all devices, which can improve your search engine rankings and provide a better user experience. More and more people are using their phones to browse the internet. In fact, mobile searches now account for more than half of all search engine queries. This means that having a mobile-friendly website is not just a nice-to-have, but a necessity. Make sure your website is responsive, loads quickly, and provides a seamless experience for mobile users. By doing so, you can reach a larger audience and improve your chances of ranking higher in search engine results. Section 9. Launching your website. Sharing it with the world. You're almost there. Before launching, double-check everything. Make sure all your links work. Check that all images load properly. Proofread for any errors. Once you're happy with everything, hit the publish button. Congratulations, your website is live. Section 10. Congratulations on your new website. You did it? You created your own website. That's amazing. Now share it with the world. Tell your friends, family, and social media followers. The more people who visit your website, the better. Don't be afraid to ask for feedback. What do people think of your website? Use their suggestions to make it even better. Section 11. Learn more and keep growing. Creating a website is an ongoing process. Keep learning and improving your website. There are many resources available online to help you. Look for tutorials, articles, and courses on web design, content creation, and SEO. The more you learn, the better your website will become. Good luck and have fun.